Hi everyone, welcome back to Edo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Oneplus Nord 2 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the phone, eject the SIM tray, and follow with the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, apply heat around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating completes, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is on the bottom of the cover. Gently use the suction cup to create an opening. Next, insert a plastic cut pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. This process will take time and gently pull out the back cover from the body. Next, take out the flashlight sensor plug bracket and then disconnect the plug. Next, undo 9 screws securing the board cover and then pull out the cover using a pry tool. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the not working battery from the body. First, loosen the adhesive on both sides and then pull it from the tabs on the both sides. Start with one side to lift the battery and then move to the other side. Be gentle and pull out the battery from the body. Next, place and secure the new battery on the body and then secure the tape on both sides. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, place the board cover and secure it by adding 9 screws. Next, connect the flashlight connector plug and secure the bracket. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, Use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tighten the rear cover to the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.